subscribe kabo ye channel ko notification ang human so nag bell icon ko click kabo from saksa sa kanila video na ye video de behavior of lines representing pair of linear equations into variables ni gaman yangin skang baw comparison of ratios, graphical representation, or algebraic representation. Ya hun yangin. Tade skang bode a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Ya condition against mode graphical representation de intersecting lines. De algebraic representation de exactly one solution by unique solution. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 against mode. Graphical representation the coincident lines there algebraic representation there infinitely many solutions. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2 against mode parallel lines no solution no solution ya condition rangko masih dunanggen ya condition mengetamko mukosto mana anggen ya ho jamano exercise 3bo jakhalanggen. Exercise 3b, pair of linear equations into variables. Question number 1. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? Sub number 1. 2x plus 5y equal to 17, 5x plus 3y equal to 14. Tadi ya question ara unique solution onggen ma no solution onggen ma infinitely many solutions onggen ma uko check hanak dananggen. Sekarang nga yako nga equal to 0 takatken ye equation gini kon. Sekarang equation de 2x plus 5y equal to 17. This implies 2x plus 5y equal left side under about minus 17 equal to 0. Yako nga equation 1 don gin. Nagini po de 5x plus 3y equal to 14. This implies 5x plus 3y yako left side under about minus 14 equal to 0. Yako equation 2 again. Here a1 ode yongen ye a1 ye b1 ye c1. Tadi a1 de first equation ni ne a1 ode first equation ni a2 ode second equation ni iku masyaibo. Jadi a1 de de 2 dimna b1 de 5 dimna c1 de minus 17 pangnan iko minus ko gol na be c1 de minus 17 and a2 the second equation ni a2 de 5 b2 de 3 c2 de minus 14. So a1 by a2 kabo a1 de 2 a2 de 5 dimna b1 by b2 b1 de 5 b2 de 3 ini 5 by 3 c1 by c2 c1 de minus 17 c2 de minus 14 ini minus 17 by minus 14 tawde negative by negative de positive ini 17 by 14. Sekarang pa first two ko check kabo ya a1 by a2 or b1 by b2 ko ya de 2 by 5 ya de 5 by 3 option ongjenga ini mana again since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, the equations have unique solution. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 ngech mode masibo unique solution. Sub number 2 3x minus 5y equal to 7 6x minus 10y equal to 3. Sekarang equation de 3x minus 5y equal to 7. This implies 3x minus 5y is 7 ko left side under about a minus 7 equal to 0. Equation 1 again. Give na gini equation de 6x minus 10y equal to 3. This implies 6x minus 10y 3 ko left side under about a minus 3 equal to 0. Yes, equation 2 rekidon. Here, the A1, B1 or C1. Once again, A1 de 3, even B1 de minus 5, C1 de minus 7, and A2 de 6, B2 de minus 10, C2 de minus 3. So the A1 by A2 kaini bo. A1 de 3, A2 de 6. Even 3 by 6. So the 3 de 3 or 1 times, 6 or 2 times. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So the B1 by B2. B1 de minus 5, B2 minus 10. Even minus 5 by minus 10. So the 5 there, 5 or 1 times, 10 or there, 2 times arrow negative by negative there, positive. In this is equal to 1 by 2. So the C1 by C2 equal to C1 de minus 7, C2 de minus 3, in minus 7 by minus 3. So this is equal to negative by negative to positive. Cancel kani dung jawa. So this is equal to 7 by 3. Since A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, mana A1 by A2 or B1 by B2. Keginian 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Ini ya gini de equal diba yede tengtang 7 by 3 songs kajok. Ini A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2 again. Ini equals again. Therefore, the equations have no solution. Therefore, the equations have no solution. Sub number 3. 4x plus 6y equal to 7. 12x plus 18y equal to 21. Sekarang about 4x plus 6y equal to 7. This implies 4x plus 6y 7 ko ichina about there. Left side china about there minus 7 equal to 0. Yakona equation 1. Tungenok. 12x plus 18y equal to 21. This implies 12x plus 18y 21 ko left side around there minus 21 equal to 0. Yan equation 2 do na. Here A1 de 4, B1 de 6, C1 minus 7, and A2 12, B2 18, C2 minus 21. So the A1 by A2 4 by 12. So the 4 de 4 or 1 times, 12 or 3 times. So this is equal to 1 by 3. So the B1 by B2 6 by 18. So the 6 de 6 or 1 times 18 or there 3 times. So this is equal to 1 by 3. So the C1 by C2 and there minus 7 by minus 21. Minus 7 by minus 21. There is 7 de 7 or 1 times, 21 or 3 times. So the negative by negative to positive. So this is equal to 1 by 3. So nibo A1 by A2 1 by 3, B1 by B2 1 by 3, C1 by C2 ba 1 by 3. Gemukan option Anyone ask again? Since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, therefore the equations have infinitely many solutions. Therefore, the equations have infinitely many solutions.